$379 FL. Okay, is going to be this model. I had to double check that Sandpiper. Phew, that's almost a tongue twister. That's a new redesign. Everybody asking, Sandpiper used to have like a tan exterior. They modernized everything.
Okay.
This color scheme's awesome.
Yeah, I love this.
That grayish kind of bronzy kind of color scheme is sweet.
This is sharp.
Big outdoor kitchen, so big door on it. That's which is nice as far as shade. If you're cooking in the rain. Also going to have the stainless steel microwave and lots of prep storage back there too, so you guys can still chop and cook and whatnot. Nice small refrigerator there. That's going to be a nice little bowl sink. Wash out everything. So
yeah, nice. Okay, so as we walk by here, I noticed it's Sandpiper Luxury. You can't have the word luxury and not have a nice fifth wheel here.
Exactly.
So I'm excited to get inside. But we're looking at the pass-through storage here.
Tons of room. Of course, this is fifth wheel. People were always concerned about storage.
Right.
I mean, how much storage does it have? How much storage does it have? I mean, this fits a whole entire spare tire
yeah,
inside
look at that. That's a big old tire, too.
Just the little things they do, you know, lights inside of it. That way you're seeing what you're doing. Just small little stuff like that. 2 speakers on the outside of the unit. I always like when manufacturers put that in a nice listening level. The speakers aren't up top by the awning, drowning out everybody in the campground. They're right there at waist level. You're not, annoying the whole campground with your music. So that's a big thing. Spray port, you guys can spray off big pots and pans. 110 outlet.
Is that for your TV? What do you got your TV?
Yes.
Cable stuff in there for?
Yes, so you can do like a swing arm mount on that to where the TV can hug up against this back wall.
Yeah,
pull it out to the mouth, and you guys can sit around it and watch TV. So
that's pretty smart.
Yeah, you can put your own TV in there, smart TV, whatever you want to do. So
very cool.
Solid steps, of course. Looks like we already have the auto level system on it too, which is press of a button and be done.
Sweet.
So,
let's go inside and check this out. Yeah. Yeah, this is awesome. This is all. Hey, I'm gonna run upstairs. I'll talk to you from up here. This is.
Yeah, where do you start, right?
I know.
Yeah, it's front living, so which is nice because you're not staying up here the whole entire time because of course the nose of the fifth wheel you're always going to have a smaller height.
Right.
You're going to be sitting down most of the time. Why sacrifice your bedroom height when you can do a front living?
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's smart.
TV will raise up out of there with that black button.
It's ready to go. We're gonna find it first.
Down there a little bit. There we go. TV will rip.
Boom.
You guys have a nice view. Put the TV down. Look out the windshield right there.
Yeah. I would probably, in all honesty, I would probably watch the TV more because I like my television. But that is a cool window up there.
Yeah. Fireplace. Is of course going to put out heat. You're going to have your Connex radio right there. Control the zones. Outdoor speakers. And a bunch of storage all the way around. DVDs, movies, whatever you guys want to do that route. These are going to pull out to trifold sofas, and they almost meet in the center, almost like a giant bed, kind of.
Gotcha.
You have a little bit of space you can walk in between them, and that, of course, is going to be like your theater seating. So,
great, perfect.
I like the color scheme
plenty
too.
Of room. Again, for people just tuning in, if you've watched for a long time, you're tired of hearing me tell how tall I am. I'm 6 foot, and still plenty of room up here, so you're not feeling like you're hunched over as you walk through here.
Yep.
And then you just sit up here and watch people cook and hang out down there in the kitchen.
Yeah. Again, you could still entertain from down there in the kitchen, the people up here.
Yep.
So.
Yep.
All the little accent lighting they do is super awesome. Kind of puts all the colors together.
Right.
Over here, again, more space here for storage, for prep surface. TV mount can go there.
TV.
Another TV.
Yeah.
How many do you need, right? Residential size appliances is what you notice first right off the rip. Full-time people are going to love having that much storage. These big of appliances if you're going to be staying in it all the time. Gas oven, again, a huge, don't see that in a whole lot of these size of models. Typically, it's going to be the small RV oven. Giant stainless steel microwave, bigger than the one I have in my house. So.
Yeah. Yep, me too. Storage up
big
here.
Big pantry storage up there. The prep space, again, more storage.
Right.
And that's going to be one of the big farmhouse style sinks.
That's heavy.
Yes, it is. That's going to be a solid surface, too. Same as a countertop. So
that's nice. Big
pots, pans. This comes down, sprays out pots, pans. So.
Right. You got more cabinets back here, and of course under the sink, you can get under there.
And tons of outlets over here, almost all the way around the islands. A bunch of outlets, cooking utensils, mixers, whatever you guys do. So again,
Might be the
room
first freestanding chairs we've seen today. No, we have seen.
We have,
some
yep,
before. Yeah,
yep.
yeah, we did.
The Redwood had some freestanding
Yep.
table and chairs.
Yep.
I like them because people, it's easy to take out. If you ordered that with a couch, it's harder to take out. If you don't want that there, you can take that out and make it whatever space you want. So
Awesome. More storage back there. I don't know if you saw that or not. But
Yeah.
yeah, plenty of storage for all kinds of food and whatever. You get this, whatever this is up here.
Yeah.
That comes with it
Yep,
probably.
yep.
Just a random piece of whatever that is, foam.
I'm partial to islands too because you can entertain from
Yeah.
them. Campsite, got a lot of friends over. You can entertain right there from the island.
Right.
So
Cook your food, put this back on top, put all the food across here, over there, over here. Just have yourself a big old party.
yep,
Yeah, love it.
see
Still
what
got a lot more to see here.
we do. So let's go in here. Open that door here for you guys.
Oh,
Decent
big
size,
shower.
really big shower.
I get in these showers all the time. There's no reason to get in that shower because if you can't tell that shower is plenty tall enough, you're not gonna bump your head in that thing.
Yeah. Again, mid shower is it's not in the nose of the trailer, sacrificing head, so you get to see how much space that this truly does, having it in the center of the camper.
Right.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can hit your head in that shower, you might have health problems.
Yeah.
That's 7 foot.
You
So
need to not spend money on a trailer and spend money on getting shorter. I don't know what I'm talking about.
another spot for a TV. Tons of storage underneath it for travel necessities. Full-time livers are going to appreciate that. Storage up above. And I always make note every time I walk in the bedroom. I like to be able to walk around the bed, and I like to be able to stand here and have room to get ready for the day.
Right. Yeah.
So
this will give you that.
more than enough.
And this might have more storage as far as like closet and drawer space than I have in my bedroom at my house.
His and hers wardrobes
Yeah.
complete with his and hers drawers. So
Yeah.
I mean,
Lots of storage. Does it have anything underneath you?
know,
now?
we can
Is it
check.
more underneath there? Nope, doesn't feel like it.
Nope.
It's. Oh, and this will fold up to close the
slide.
slide. Yeah.
Yep.
Awesome. Of course, that's where your TV goes. Again, very important to me.
Yes.
A TV.